Welcome to this channel. Without wasting your time, in this video, I'll be teaching you what you need to know about Binance peer-to-peer trading. Becoming peer-to-peer cryptocurrency merchant is easy with Binance peer-to-peer trading platform. Please, if at the end of this video you find it helpful and useful to you, subscribe to the channel to help me grow it faster and hit the notification bell so that you can be receiving my new video. Getting familiar with Binance peer-to-peer trading. What is Binance peer-to-peer? Binance peer-to-peer is the platform Binance built in late 2018. The platform Binance built in late 2018 to enable peer-to-peer Bitcoin exchange transaction using local currency. 3 years later, the platform supports buying and selling of 6 cryptocurrencies, namely Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin (BNB), BUSD, DAI, and USDT. Using 55 local currencies via 150 plus payment channels around the world. When people think about Bitcoin trading, they generally quickly think of centralized exchange and complicated chart. A centralized exchange and complicated chart. Many people are unaware that there are simpler ways to trade Bitcoin that do not include complex procedures. Furthermore, many people use this method on daily basis to generate profits around the world. What is peer-to-peer trading? Peer-to-peer, that is P2P trading, commonly known as P2P trading, entails a couple of people selling or buying cryptocurrency directly from each other. It is a type of trading in which vendors and buyers register on a website known as peer-to-peer platform, marketplace, or exchange. They can eventually post advertisement for cryptocurrency to be purchased or sold with a specific price range and location. Binance peer-to-peer is a peer-to-peer marketplace where buyers and sellers directly exchange their crypto assets for fiat currencies. Here, Binance acts as an intermediary only to improve the security of the process of exchanging assets. Binance only acts as intermediary. For example, if you want to buy USDT with DAI, then you will have to find someone on Binance peer-to-peer platform who wants to sell his USDT and accepting DAI for this exchange. What are the advantages of Binance peer-to-peer platform? Number one, zero fees. Zero fees. One of the biggest advantages of Binance peer-to-peer platform is its absence of fees. There's no transaction fee. You get what you pay for with zero fees. Number two, multiple payment methods. With more than 150 payment methods available on Binance peer-to-peer trading platform, you can choose your favorite way to send or receive money for your trades. Number three, escrow service. Binance peer-to-peer trading platform has a holding mechanism for crypto funds that are involved in any pending transaction. This mechanism prevents incidents of theft or scam by adding another layer of trust, thus preventing malicious actors from stealing your money or crypto without completing their part of the trade. That's wonderful. High liquidity. That's number four. As the official peer-to-peer channel of the world's biggest crypto exchange by trading volume, Binance peer-to-peer trading platform was able to secure large volumes for both buy and sell transactions. The platform has already processed more than 7 billion worth of transactions, which indicate a high level of liquidity. The last one is integration with Binance ecosystem. Binance peer-to-peer trading platform's advantage extend beyond trading. As a major feature of the Binance ecosystem of services, you get direct access to Binance products and services as soon as you buy crypto. via Binance peer-to-peer trading platform. I hope with this we see the power of Binance peer-to-peer trading platform. Anytime you need to buy any cryptocurrencies with your local fiat money, just head to Binance peer-to-peer trading platform. You see, you choose the buyer, you compare prices and choose the buyer that you want to buy from. And if you use Binance peer-to-peer trading platform, you are rest assured that nobody is going to scam or nobody is going to steal your money. You have value for your money. So if you have watched this video up to this level, I say thank you, and I hope you have gained one or two things from the video. If the video is helpful to you, please share the video with your family and friends and like the video. Comment on the video section, and if you have any question, put it at the comment section. I will gladly answer you. Then also don't forget, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I release a new video. The link to take you directly to Binance peer-to-peer trading platform, direct and correct link, will be inside the description of this video. You can just click on it. From there you get to Binance peer-to-peer trading platform. Thank you.